Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds AirPods 3 Pro with your iPhone. So to pair them, firstly we need to enter pairing mode. We have two options how to enter pairing mode. If your earbuds do not connect it with another devices, you need to open the charging case. And then you will see this pop-up. Of course, your headphones should be close to your phone and inside the charging case. And then you click connect and you pair them. Also, we can enter to pairing mode manually. So after you open the charging case, on the front side, right here, we have touch area under the LED light. You need to tap 2 times and you will enter to pairing mode manually. And you will also see this pop-up. So let's do this. 1, 2. This LED light should blinking white. Right now we don't want to enter pairing mode manually, but you will, oh yes, we have it. You will hear beep sound and this LED light start blinking white. Then click connect. Continue. And we did it. Now let's check if we have connection. So first right here we have the line with the headphones, and in the Bluetooth we have connection with them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.